Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. We are back with the conditional sentences. As we have discussed earlier, that the conditional sentences are having two parts, two clauses. One is the main clause and the second one is the conditional clause. So this video is all about conditional sentences type 0. Okay? Now we will discuss about it. What is it all about? Actually, it is used for scientific or general truth. This means something that is truth. Okay? Fact. Now the form is if simple present plus simple present, means in the first part, conditional part, if and simple present tense is there, and in the result part again the simple present is there. Or another option is if with if simple past is there, then in the result part also simple past is there. For examples, if you heat simple present butter, it melts. If you heat butter, simple present tense, it melts. Melts is also simple present tense. If I have time, I study English. This is also simple present in both the conditions. Years ago, if people traveled a long distance, the journey took days. Traveled is past tense. Took is also past tense, that is take, took, taken. So simple past, simple past. It may happen that if you do not want to use if, then you can use the word when. Okay? I will repeat some of the points here. Scientific or general truth when we are talking about, then it is used, this type is used to say such kind of sentences. And if with if clause we are having simple present, then the result clause or the main clause will also be having simple present. Like if you heat butter, it melts. If with if clause simple past is there, then the result clause will also be in simple past. Like if people traveled a long distance, the journey took days. Okay? This is simple present. You will see, if children study hard, their parents are happy. If you put water in the freezer, it turns into ice. These both are of simple present. Study hard, are happy. Put, turns. Both are simple present. Present real conditionals. These are real situations, right? In both the clauses, present tense is there. For example, present tense here, present tense here. If you heat water to 100 degrees, it boils. If you pour oil into water, it floats. Now, some of you, if they are not good with grammar or tenses, may be a little bit confused why we are having S form here. In simple present, we use S form with singulars. Singulars, he, she, it, or some names. We use S. Okay? But we don't use S with you, we, they, I. We don't use S. So both are simple present, but as it is used with it, so it is having S. And as this one is not using it, it is having you. So that's why we are not using S here. Okay? This slide we have already seen that half of the part is having if clause and half of the part is having main clause. But if you are going to see, because this is 0, type 0, you are going to see that the tense is if I drink coffee at night, I don't sleep well. I drink coffee, that's first tense, past, simple past, so simple present. I don't sleep is also simple present. If you freeze water, it turns into ice. Okay, again, turns is simple present and freeze is simple present. Because it is having it, That's why S form is there. If you heat water at 100 degrees, it boils. Heat simple and boils simple present. Both are simple present. If clause and main clause. Condition and result. That's all for today. I hope you must have understood the 0 type. We will be doing conditional type 1 after this. Okay? Allah Hafiz.